All right, so we're here at a ball field in McGaheysville, and we're going to try a couple different things that we haven't tried before in a ball field. This field has been overgrown, and it's only been about a year that it's had some growth coming into it. And this is the new soil cultivator that Ventrac came out with. And with the soil cultivator, we're going to test it to see how it does in one pass, kind of eliminating some of the grass that's grown up that has just been sprayed and killed. So we're hoping that will kill that and make one pass, and we'll be able to come back with the renovator to hit our edge lines. This is great for base lines, outfield lines, to establish that edge line and keep those lips down. Next, we have the landscape rake, which is fantastic for getting material to one spot in order to get it out from the field, so grass and rocks and other materials that pile up. And lastly, we have our power rake here, which is probably going to be the one we utilize the most. That's going to allow us to level the field off and remove any material off the top that is staying on top. So us Kreiders and Beverage are going to get after it now, and we're going to show you the final product.
This was an awesome day and an awesome opportunity to be out here with Jeffrey and with Andy, to be able to watch this ball field basically go from not being able to be of great use to looking like a baseball field again. Andy, you want to kind of conclude us out?
Yeah, I just want to thank both of you guys, Kreiders and Beverage, for giving us the opportunity to work together as dealers to get something in the community done here. This is going to really help out the local Little League, and I look forward to watching kids play here in the spring.
Yeah, it's been awesome to be able to work with Jeffrey and Andy in this. If you have any questions or interested in any of this equipment, feel free to reach out to either one of us. You can reach out to Beverage Tractor. We're in Stewart's Draft, Virginia, 540-337-1090. Check us out on our website, www.beveragetractor.com, or with Four Seasons.
Kreider Four Seasons Equipment. We're up in Harrisonburg. Phone number is 540-801-8873. Website is www.kfse.biz. Love to help you.
Appreciate you guys watching and look forward to the next one.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
Appreciate you.